So we're going to simplify this algebraic fraction. The first thing we need to do is factor both the numerator and the denominator to see if there are any common factors we can cancel out. First I look for greatest common factors. In the numerator I can factor out a y. That's going to give me 6y squared plus 19y plus 15. And then I'm going to look to see if I can factor this trinomial. I'm going to save the denominator for just a little bit here. And I'm going to rewrite my numerator down here. 6y squared plus 19y plus 15. So 6 factors into pairs 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. 15 factors into 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. So I'm looking for pairs of factors that multiply to 15 and I'm looking for pairs of factors that add to 19. 1 and 15, 6 and 1 gives me 21. 2 and 3 and 5 and 15 gives me 21. So 2 and 5 and 3 and 3 give me 19. So I'm going to have y times 2y. It's going to be a 3y here. We said 2 times 5 and 3 times 3. They're both positive. So now this is my factored numerator. Now I'm going to come back up here. We're going to factor our denominator. Here, no greatest common factor. So I'm going to have 2 only factors into 1 and 2. 6 factors into 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. I need a difference between my pairs of factors of 1, negative 1. So I'm going to have 2 times 2 and 1 times 3. 2 times 2 is negative, 1 times 3 is positive. So this gives me 2y squared plus 3y minus 4y is negative 1y minus 6. So I'm just going to write my numerator, my denominator down under my factored numerator here. I get y minus 2 times 2y plus 3. I can now simplify by factoring out common factors, which is going to be 2y plus 3. And I'm going to have y times 3y plus 5 over y minus 2. Restrictions in my domain, y cannot equal 2, because here I would be dividing by 0. Y also, this factor also can't equal 0, 2y plus 3. So y can't equal negative 3/2 either. Because if y were to equal negative 3/2, then up here in my original fraction, I would be dividing by 0. There's our solution.